Alright, people, my name is Skilla and this is the Skilla Entertainment Biz. Now, the police officer of today, right? I mean, this is called the Skilla Entertainment Biz. As long as it has nothing to do with violence, right? You can call this entertainment because what happened in this make me have to laugh out, bun up clot. You understand? Yeah. Me just have to shorten the thing because I don't really want to put too much bad word in another one. You understand? So, the police wanna try to arrest that man and that man decide say him nah go in the business who you want be. So, he come like say something with this policeman. Make this man say, yo, uno nah bring me go in. Alright, look on this first before me say anything else. One off.
Right to Port Maria with it. Live, Port Maria. Oh, I'm going to move on there, move on there. Blow down, boys. I'm going to play. Work with them, Alien, work with them. TVJ is live. TVJ is live. That is her mother. That is her mother. That is her mother. That is her mother in the middle. That is his mother, not her. That is his mother. And this is a big competition. I want to do this fire. Look at the politicians there, right? I want to do it. Make your walk, man. And you make him walk. You want to walk. You want to walk. Make him walk. You want to walk. You want to do good. You want to walk. Got the blood like. Got the bum buck like. Come on. Well, I'm sure I'm going to no, my own.
Police
Too much mix up there, some swagger. I just bust man, then take set pan, then I take set pan the taxi man where illegal up here. Yeah, if man say go this time man, yeah. Man say go this time man, I go there. This is Steve. I send Alright, that is the end of the game. I'm see what I'm going to say.
Alright, you see what me I talk about, right? They man not take no talk. You understand? So something no right. Right? Because this a man a look like he have some right and him a hold on pan the right there and him decide say nah I'm going to prison. Sorry, I'm in jail. You understand? And trust me, nobody no want go in a jail because believe you me, if you go turn up now that to that bag of man and all them sitting there, yo. Me no wrong him a bumbuckle. So you see from me wrong, I better you shoot me, you know. Sorry, I mean, from you wrong, I better you shoot me because me nah give away my right. But to all the law set nowadays, right? All in your right, you're dead for your right, said we. You understand? So life and fear, you're frig. Anyways, the policeman, in my view, him not no sense. You can't in a crowd with your gun pan your waist so loose. You understand what I said to you? Because any one of them man, they could have taken the gun there for your waist and do anything. Right? And when it don't happen, people goodly they even see who do it. And they even one of them, about 2 or 3, I think about 3 of them there in a crowd, with them gun pan them waist, and everybody, Missy man hip all a bunks pan the gun in a man. Man hand all go close to it. And the man just a haul and pull the one man. I must say a country police still. Him knows a countryman, but a countryman always come bad uptown still. Anyways, people of Jamaica don't need to live better. You understand? Because I notice enough people, them love things like this. You see what I say? I mean, I tell no lie. If me see sitting like this, me I go laugh. Because that policeman there, anyhow, film superintendent no call him that office. Sitting wrong. Because a big crap him do a while ago. The man a resist arrest. You know what to do. You get a protocol. Them tell you what to do. And me know say what you do a while ago is not what them tell you to do. In the crowd like that. Anyways, my name is Skilla. And this has been the Skilla Entertainment. One off.